welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the VARSK 4-in-1 car vacuum cleaner. So I just bought this off Amazon. It's currently going for $2.99. It comes in two colors, the yellow and black. So this is perfect for anyone who likes big colors, anyone, I guess, who likes big colors. It's very lightweight. Send you extra accessories. So they pretty much give you one and it's a one and done. As soon as you're done with that item, like if this filter were to go out, I wouldn't know where to find another filter. So they threw in another one. I really appreciate that. Thank you, VARSK. So one of the things for maintenance of your filter is they sent you also a brush. So as debris and buildup continue to kind of build in this, you just maintain it by brushing it out. That would help your filter actually have a longer lifetime. So you just kind of, as time goes on, you just maintain the cleanliness of your filter, you use the brush, and then sooner or later, you're gonna have to switch it out. So thank goodness they included another one. So I'll go ahead and put this back in there. And some more accessories that they included are, of course, the seat cleaner. This is super nice. You can see that the suction, it's not this whole, the whole of this thing isn't as big as I guess it appears. There's just a little hole, so you would just go ahead and slip it right in there. It's a nice snug fit and you'll be able to get right into the seats. Another accessory they included was a brush, which again just goes right into this little hole and you're off to the races. It's a nice snug fit. It's not difficult to take out. One thing I didn't cover is how you plug this in. So you go ahead and plug this into your cigarette lighter. Pretty easy. I mean, I've seen this. I'm sure everyone's kind of seen it. You just put it right into the hole and you'll get power. Of course, you have to have your car on. Some other accessories, they sent a longer hose. So if you ever need to get into harder places or if this cord's not long enough, you're able to attach this hose. And look at this, boom. That is cool. This is actually a really cool feature that they included. I'm really glad that they included this extra hose because there are times when you can't get to every single nook and cranny within your car. And sometimes the length of this itself isn't long enough. So I like that they included this hose. I'm looking forward to using it. Let's see, I covered this earlier, but this is the adapter for to fill up your tires. So you can use either end. You just plug it right in to the end of this. You close it shut. At that point, I can't pull it off. They included some adapters for the tire inflator. So we've got the needle, so that'll be used for basketballs or any kind of balls. They included a number of things, which a lot of which I haven't even seen before, but I'm sure it's just all scenario basis of what you're gonna be needing to use these items for, but very easy to use. I'm just kind of fooling around with it right now, and this is easy to figure out, easy to use. I look forward to showing you guys and then giving you guys a product review afterwards. Thank you, and let's go use it. So this product is amazing. I loved using it. It is so easy. One thing I didn't realize when I opened this is a 15-foot long cord. So there is no part of the card that I'm not able to read. This is worth it. It also comes with a really cute bag that is big enough to fit everything. Give it a shot. Thanks.